help me.
Okay, no problem.
Because
No, but it's easy. You just start it up. You just like literally start it up. They see the code, they sign in with the code, and you just say start. That's literally it. There's like,
Okay.
and then you just say next question or whatever. That's like very, very easy. You don't have to stress.
Okay, I'm going to attempt it.
Okay.
Thank you. Good morning, grade sixes. How are you today? It's awesome to have you back. Welcome to Austin Lockdown Digital School, and it's Friday. I bet you're all so excited it's Friday. And I am Sheena Cooney. I'm your teacher and presenter for those of you that are new. And it's so awesome to see some familiar names again. Welcome. So there's my email address. I just want to say thank you for anybody who does send me any work, because I do believe that I have someone who sent me some. So welcome, Kiara. How do I say this name? How do I say your name phonetically? You need to teach me, guys, because it's Friday. Okay, so my speech is not going to be the best. Yes, we are doing Kahoot today because you asked so nicely, but I first have to say super awesome work for Nguvo for her kitchen design that she sent me. Definitely see someone being a designer or an architect, so well done. Give yourself a pat on the back for that. That is awesome stuff. I'm really, really proud of you. Okay, so I don't know if you have joined us today, but I'll give a shout out at the end if you're not here yet. So we do want to make sure that everybody is here. Okay, so today, yes, we're going to do Kahoot. We're also going to do a bit of revision. Oh, there you are. How do I say your name, sweetie? How do I say it phonetically, like if I had to use sound? Is it Duvo with a silent N or Nduvo? Okay, so I'll just wait for you to respond. But in the meantime, we're going to go first through our revision. The second way I said it, Nduvo. Okay, thank you, sweetheart. Right, so read through this because this will be in your Kahoot. Okay. So let's have a quick read through it. You don't need to make notes because you have these notes already. All right. So matter can exist in three states, namely solids, liquids, and gases. Particles in solids are closely packed together in a fixed position. Thank you, Kiara. I appreciate that. The particles in liquids are closely packed, but they can move around each other. And the particles in gases have large empty spaces between them. Okay, so this is just a revision of what we have been doing this week. Mixture, which we started yesterday, which I see you have definitely done before because you had quite good answers for me and you were way ahead of the game. So well done to you guys. So I'm just going to read through it quickly. A mixture consists of two or more different materials mixed together. Sometimes mixtures can be separated into individual materials. Some ways in which mixtures can be separated are sieving, filtering, hand sorting, settling, followed by decanting. We discussed a few of those yesterday. When a material changes from a solid to a liquid, we call that melting. Can I call you Jabari? Oh, that's quite an unusual and cool name. Jabari, I like that. Wow, interesting. I love interesting names. Okay, so when a material forms a solution into another material, the process is called dissolving. Michael's very quiet today. Melting and dissolving are two different processes. Okay, so these are basically what we have touched on this week. All right, so now are you ready? So do you know that you need to go to www.hoot.it? There is your game pin. Okay, here's your game pin. So I'm going to actually just wait for you to get this because I don't want to switch to another tab. Maybe it will have it there. Let's see. Let's play around with this. There we go. Okay. So this is where we are. Very good. I see some players joining. Oh my. Very good. So we've got 8 players so far. I hope there's no limit to the amount of players. Right, so some of you have probably chosen your own little names that are different from your names. So it is going to be a bit confusing for me. I'm not going to start yet, don't worry. Don't worry, I'll give everybody a chance. So don't panic. Okay. I'm going to sit and wait for everybody to just get on. So we have 36 today, and we have 15 players. So are we going to make it to 36 players? Here we got 17. $18. I am waiting. Relax. Why are you saying no? Oh, someone with hot lips. Okay, so Lone Wolf is you. Okay, cool. So we have 20. Alrighty, we're getting there slowly but surely. You don't have to join if you want to just watch. You can watch. Okay, but it would be nice to all try. Please, if you get something wrong, take it as a learning experience. Try not to panic or be upset if you're not at the top. It's just the design of the game, so someone has to be on the leaderboard. And I'm just glad you're all participating. I think that's the most awesome part of this. So 24 players. Are we going to make 36? What do you think? Are we going to make 36? Ooh, I know there's quite a few of you that are competitive, and that's not a bad thing, eh? It's not a bad thing. Little eyes, greedy eyes. Like righty, we got 25 players, guys. 25 players. Isn't that cool? $26. This is so exciting. Do you know that this is the first time that Miss Cooney or Miss Sheena has played Hoot online with a class? So you are my test subjects. You are my first group to do it with. So this is going to be exciting. Okay, so we've got 26 players so far. I see that, Triasha. See your dollar signs there. 27 players. Ooh, Yeah. Okay, do we have any more players? Awesome, Ati. Like that. Okay, so what do you mean? Well, we want to try and get to 36 or 39 because we've got 39 attending our lesson today. So yeah, it depends. Sometimes someone might not want to play the game, so they can just watch. It would be cool if we had everybody. So there's 9 more. Maybe someone left. Okay. So we've got 29 players so far. Okay, is there any more going to join? Anybody I must still wait for? Yes, you can. Can you join during the game? Okay, I did not know that. All righty. Okay, so shall we begin? Okay, so I think that we are going to begin in like 4 minutes maybe. Let's just I'd really like to give everybody a chance. So you guys are awesomely patient. Thank you so much. I just want to give everybody a chance. No, I'm in charge, so I'm not actually playing the game. I'm going to just start it. All right, because I'm the one that set it up.
Okay, so trying to interrupt, but you'll have to start. It's like already 12 minutes past 10 already. You'll have to start, otherwise you're gonna run out of time. So the others might just join in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Awesome. Okay. All right, so we got 30. So I'm going to start. Okay. So are you ready? Anybody else who wants to join can join as we go. So let's go. We have got first question. Woo, look at that. So matter, what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Good job. Well done. Actually, I'm going to just keep the chat on so that I can at least see. Yeah, I'm fine. Shame. Are you always worried about me? Okay, are you ready for the next one? Okay, let's go. So this is the scoreboard. And then question number 2. How many different states of matter are there? Whoop, whoop. Look at you guys go. Well done. Well done. Okay, are you ready? Next. 3 states of matter are, bit of a challenge, or not? There we go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Well done. Being better and better, guys. Yes, so 3 states of matter are liquid, solid, and gas. So this is the leaderboard. Everybody seems to be getting a turn to get to the top. Okay, right. Next question. Is this a solid? Is that a nice, easy one? There we go. Very good. So yes, a brick is a solid. So Aiden is now the highest climber. Give yourselves a pat on the back if you get somewhere. You should reward yourself. Righty. So now we're going to do, is juice a solid, liquid, or a gas? Another easy one. Ooh, I think everybody's answered already. Wow. Yes, well done, guys. Well done. Juice is a liquid. Now, I know that sometimes you might click a button and you might click on the wrong answer. That's going to happen, okay? That is going to happen. It's okay. I'm all good on this side, and I hope everybody is very good and feeling good and happy today, and you're ready. Have a great weekend. So let's end it on a high note. I love being with you guys, so it's awesome. It's all good on this side. Thank you so much for caring, Kiara. Thank you so much. So is the following image a solid, liquid, or gas? Woo, in there, and sure, 30. Everybody's answered. We still got some time left. Now, I think it is possible to change your answer if you're unsure. I'm not sure. Can you guys let me know? Is that a possibility on your side? Okay, so Triasha, good job, Triasha. You're very quick with that button. Okay, so you can't. All right. That's why I'd rather, okay, so that's good for me to know. So is helium a solid, a liquid, or a gas? We did this yesterday, remember? Very good. It's a gas. Well done. So we have Libby now and highest climber. So it's nice to see a different name each time. Everybody gets a turn. So what is a mixture? So these are your choices. A mixture is a mix of ingredients that keep their physical traits, a mix of ingredients that dissolve when you put them together, a mix of ingredients that separate easily, or a mix of ingredients that do not separate easily. This is an interesting question. You see, it is a challenging question, and there's 2 right answers. So it's a mix of ingredients that can keep their physical traits and separate easily. Okay, when we talk about just a mixture. Well done, guys. So that was a tough round, but you did good. Which of the following is a mixture? So we've got helium, we've got air, we've got oxygen, and we've got nitrogen. Ha! So we do have to think a bit. Hey, well done. It was a challenging one, I have to admit. So it was a tough round, but you guys did well done for the effort. So the mixture would be easy to separate because all the beads are, so look at the beads in that container. Are they less dense than water? Are they solids? Have the same mass? Are attracted to a magnet? So how would they be easy to separate? In these beads, some made of plastic, glass, or steel, and they're all different sizes. I've given you a bit more time with this one. Okay, so they are easy separate because they're all solids. Well done, guys. Well done. Definitely getting a bit more challenging. Okay, so let's see. Which one is an example of a mixture? So we've got salt and water, lemonade, trail mix, corks and iron fillings. So which one is an example of a mixture? Ooh, another challenging one. Actually, 3 of them. So any of those 3 that you got. We got corks and iron fillings, trail mix, salt and water. Well done, guys. Next one, different types of matter. So Talia, you got 10 out of 11. 10 out of 11. Wow, I didn't know they actually showed it so like clearly. Oh, shall we give Zinzi and Adriel and Talia a round of applause? Okay? Yeah? You want to play the same game again? Because I think we might be able to, but then remember when our time is up, it's up, okay? All right, so you guys have to show me how do I go to play the game again? Where do I go from here? Because you guys know the game much better than I do. Is it, where do I go?
I think maybe if you go back to like the way you started it the first time. If you go
To
to that main
restart
menu.
it.
Yeah, I think if you go to that main menu, wait, I see maybe there. Okay, that's create code.
Oh yeah, so I'll start here again.
Yeah, you can maybe say.
Okay, then it'll give a different code.
Let's see. Yeah, it's a
Ooh, the
different code,
music.
but it's okay. It's fine. It's a different code, but it's fine. Let's
They
just
can
put it
see
in the
it.
chat for. Yeah, they can see, but I'll just type it in the chat as well.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Like next time, you can just set it to have maybe more. Ooh, I can't see now anymore.
Sorry, I went somewhere I shouldn't have gone.
6.
I'm okay.
Maybe next time when you create one, just add more questions because the previous teacher had like 33 questions on her Kahoot. So
Okay.
if you create one again, maybe just make it double the questions or.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, because it went by fast.
It did, eh? I didn't think it would because from what the feedback I got when I was learning about it, the questions were actually less than mine. That's why I thought it might be long enough.
But you can also just skip. You can also just like the other teacher got to question 25 and it's 32. So then she just skipped until the end when the time was up. So she just skip, and then.
Oh, can you do
It
that?
also it also showed like how many players after the top 3 and what.
Okay.
Okay, cool. I'm going to mute myself again.
Thank you. Okay, we're building up nicely. So next week, Friday, we're going to do it again, but it's going to be obviously revision of the week. So make it a little bit longer. Okay. I think that would be a good idea. Your name, do you use your name or did you use a nickname? I see your name, I think. No, I don't see your name. Oh, did you use Kiara? Yes, your name is here. Your name is here. Kiara, your name is here. Okay. Okay, so we have 29 players. I think there's one more. All right. If you haven't joined in, just join as we go. Okay. Not a problem. I'm going to start now. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? What is matter? This is a good test of your memory. Very good. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up some space. Well done. Right, next one. How many different states of matter are there? 3, 5, 4, or infinite? Well done. There are 3 states of matter. Next question. The 3 states of matter are okay, so we have 30 answers. I wonder if we can go to, there we go. Well done. Liquid, solid, and a gas. Next, is this a solid? Very good. Yes, it is a solid. It's a brick, so it is definitely a solid because you can't press it into another shape. Now, is juice a solid, liquid, or gas? Very good. It is a liquid. It is a liquid. Next, is the following image a solid, liquid, or gas? Well done. It is a gas. It is a gas. Next question. A balloon can be filled with helium. Is helium a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Very good. It is a gas. Well done. What is a mixture? Remember, there's two answers here that are correct. Any of those two answers? Well done. So it's a mix of ingredients that keep their physical traits and separate easily. Very good. Well done. Now, which of the following is a mixture? Well done. It is air. Air is a mixture. Air is a mixture. Next, the mixture would be easy to separate because all the beads, what do you notice about all the beads that make it easy to separate? Very good. They are solids. They are solids. Next question. Which one is an example of a mixture? Well done. There's three choices: salt and water, trail mix, cork, and iron fillings. They're all examples, all three are examples of a mixture. Very good. So now we have come to the end of our second game. We got a new winner. Oh, look at you, Kiara. You came up from 18. Well done, guys. Give yourselves a round of applause. Well done. Okay, so we don't have actually time to play it again. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our PowerPoint. Okay, I'm going the wrong way, yeah. Okay, here we go. So now, next week, if you work really, really hard, then we can play a game next week, okay, on Friday, and I will make it longer. And now that we know how it works and everything, we can really enjoy it and have fun. So please, I've received some nice homework from a few of you. If there's anybody else that has completed any work, I've set up our Flipgrid. So some of you wanted to know how to use the Flipgrid. Okay, so what you do is you need to first ask permission. Okay, and then you go to www.flipgrid.com. You go to enter where it says enter a flip code. Okay, then you type in where it says enter flip code, you type in Super 6 Science Geeks. That's your flip code. All right. Once you are in, you'll get to this picture and you'll get to a big button with a white cross, a green button with a white cross. You click on that green plus button and you can show me your work. You can record yourself reading it. You can record yourself doing an experiment. You can record your actual written work as well. And then you can share it with me and I can have a look at it and give you feedback. So this is where you go. I know if you haven't used Flipgrid before, it might be a bit confusing. The link is www.flipgrid.com. And then you just go to enter and you type in Super 6 Science Geeks. Okay. All right. So you can share any of your homework there for me. And I absolutely had so much fun today. I'm actually going to let you go a little bit earlier because it's Friday. Whoop, whoop. All right. I shall see you on Monday. Have a great weekend, my great super, super sixes. Have a great weekend. Bye.
You are making weird little paws all over